Oh, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you what are the questions I encountered during the interview question TCS interview with I'm having 6+ year of experience. So today I'll share with you I had both rounds simultaneously. Like first I cleared the tactical, then it's managerial round. So okay, let's start it. So my stream is Java, Microservices, PostgreSQL, and Spring Boot. I have 6+ year of experience. So let's start it. So firstly, the interviewer asked me about the brief intro about myself, then the project, what I have done in my past during my in my experience, and so let's start it. So I'll starting with the oops concept. What are the question I encountered of oops concept? So I'll share with you. So firstly, the what are the features of oops? Features of oops, then what is like already know what are the features, and overload and override. And after that, what are the type of inheritance? After, what's the difference between finally, and finalize? These are the basic questions. And how serialization work, and why string is immutable. These questions are from the Java oops features. Next, the interviewer proceed to the stream Spring Boot. So, what's the key differences between the Spring Boot and the Spring Framework? And what is dependency injection? What is dependency injection? How we inject it? So, how we inject by constructor based, by setter, and also one more. And which one will you prefer? So mostly always prefer constructor based dependency injection because it will create less boilerplate code. And what's the bean scopes? You already know what's the bean scope. I have provided you what's the bean scope in my previous video, so I'll tell you again. Prototype and request session, global session. Also, keep in mind, don't give only two prototype and you have given request. Give all five. And what's the difference between what's the benefits of Spring Boot application? So give examples like you can create, you don't, you can configuration we have. What are the configurations Spring Boot provide? Spring Boot auto configuration, enable auto configuration, and Spring Boot application. This constructor at the rate. So all the dependency injection you have done in your project, you have to give into the interview. Also, I'll tell you one more thing. Yeah, okay. Then we move on to the data structure. So in the data structure, first interview will ask, are you aware of data structure? So You can say if you are aware, then you will encounter the question. If you are not, don't say yes, yes, yes every time, because you have to answer it. If you don't answer it, if you are confident, then only say yes to any questions. So he asked me about the array list, then linked list, internal working of hash map, after comparator and comparable. So how comparator and comparable work? Comparable has method compare to, and comparator has only compare method. One is work in the same class, one need to class. This type question you should also always answer why. So after interviewer will ask like which of the version you have used in your project. So I have used Java 8. So the questions are from Java 8, features of Java 8. Features, what are the features, what are the features you have used in your project? So like this you can give example: REST API, why we used REST API, and what is lambda function, and what is optional class, and what default, and static methods. Also features already what is date and date API. These features you can say in your interview. Also how they work. And now my stream, I have worked on the REST API. So next questions are from REST API, like difference between controller and REST controller. Controller work on the model view, and where is REST controller, we use mostly the mappings, and how post, get, port, and yeah, these mappings work. You should always know how you write your controller class, REST controller class. You should aware of it. And then how we communicate with your app, with other microservices, communication. Then what are the HTTP methods you used, these. And also I'll say yeah, exception handling, how you handle exceptions in your controller, then to your other classes, how you handle it, how you handle global exception, what's the global exception of exception handling class, like it's an exception only, how you create like user exception, custom exception. Also yeah, these question, technically this question interviewer asks me. And so I'll tell you one plus point. If you answer correctly all these question, he will not go in depth, the interviewer will not go in depth, or it depends on the interviewer mood. If you don't answer these questions, like you stuck somewhere, so he'll ask other questions like that repeatedly. So these are the questions asked in my interview. if you want to know what the questions asked in my managerial round, please comment and likes. And I give recently, now it's 13th Feb, so it's really updated one. I make a video for you guys so you can also crack. Or if you want to know what are the uh, coding he asked me, please subscribe and comment so I'll make a video for you. Thank you.